welcome back to sorry. Yeah, camera face. Yep, today we're opening an iPad mini. It's so cool. For some reason, Apple delivered us and not in a box. They delivered it in the iPad box for some reason. That's strange. Oh yeah, I forgot. We didn't get it by Apple. We found it on this website called Time to Buy. Have you ever heard of it?
Nope.
Is it good or bad?
I heard about it and it's very good.
Wait, you did? I mean,
I didn't.
yeah. You were saying before we were about to record this. Quasny forgot we have to record it, so she almost opened it. But I stopped her. I'm just opening it. Oh, what? What? Look, there's like trash on this tape or something. I don't know, but it's red. Oh, I took it off.
Oh, wait, you forgot. Wait, did you take out all the tape?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I didn't.
Okay.
No.
Oh,
yeah. What? What happened? How did it? What? What is this?
Here, look at the iPad.
Wait. Why is the charger like this?
I don't know.
I'm gonna get the Apple stickers first.
Obstacles. Where's the Apple stickers?
Wait. The Apple stickers are not there.
Oh my god.
What is this? Let's open it. First time, pressing the home button. We're recording it. Oh, yeah. Let's press it again. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a passcode?
Here's the passcode.
That's very strange.
1685.
1B? What kind of, what? 1B, secret, 1685, mystery.
Let's try that. Okay, 1, 6,
5,
8, 5. Oh, it opened.
open. That's strange. Apps are here. What is this?
Did somebody use this?
Eufy? Control fight? I don't like control.
Color number? Count master? Pink master?
Eufy home? That's a security name. That's the camera's. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's a neighbor's camera's name, right?
Yes.
Wait.
I think this is used. Why is the charger like that?
I do not know.
Oh, this one I can know. This one, the charger is used. The charger is used.
Let me open it.
It's
Wait, it's not even the Apple brand charger. It's like, look. Oh, it is. I thought it wasn't. Oh, there's someone knocking on the door. Let me go.
these are the charger. Okay, I'll be back. Can't believe this.
Look what I found at the front door.
Huh? A phone?
I found a phone at the front door for some reason, and a porch.
Okay.
What is this?
I don't know.
Start to open it.
I think it's out of battery.
Oh, where's the charger?
Plug it in.
Let's see if it still works. Let's see if this is broken or is it out of charging.
Don't need the plug.
Oh wait, I was right. Look, there's a seat. That means it's not made from Apple. Can you see it? Yeah, look.
Yeah, I see.
Is there anything on it? Someone has been using this.
Oh, now I know.
Oh my gosh, there's marker lines? There's this thing.
Okay, I know this charger is used.
Yeah. Oh, it's working.
It's working. It just needs battery.
It needs battery.
secret. 1B. Wait, I know what is 1BE.
The one, it's the Game Master 1BE. The 1BE Master is back. The Game Master is gone, and the 1BE Master is back. Oh no, did we? Wait, how did he get this? I think this is also from the 1BE Master.
I think the 1BE sent this.
Oh my god. Ding, ding, ding. Just joke.
That's not even our sound of doorbell.
Wait, there's someone hitting the door.
Okay, go check. Go ahead and check. I'll be with them. Look, 1BE.